Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you the real situation on a Bitcoin. So today we're going just to see Bitcoin without Ethereum or another altcoins. If you're interested in analyzing altcoins, I will be more than willing to show you any altcoins. You will write me down on private messages, okay? Because sometimes I don't see anything except Bitcoin on trading on an English view platform. Yeah, so what can we see right now? We will start today with weekly chart, and we can see that we hit this reliable level. This is really strong level. We hit this down, and then right now we have a strong downtrend. Here is we have some levels like support and resistance levels. Whatever levels is it, this is just our key levels. What can you see right now? You can see some kind of sideways, and it's really complicated to work in a sideways because you can every time catch the stop loss. What is the best way to work in a sideways? You can open your long position with the support level, within the support level and nearby the support, and you have to close or you have to fix your position just below your resistance level. This is the best way to work in sideways. We can go through, and you remember I told you guys about this candle, that after this strong bear candle you saw this, this that the buyers was trying to open long position and was trying to reverse to from downtrend to uptrend, but they were so willing and they were so weak that the downtrend is continuing right now. So let's go to day chart, and you can see my support and resistance level. You see, every time the price react on this level. I told you before, or maybe I didn't, maybe you will be wondering in this. So when you have your downtrend or uptrend over here, and when the price every time react to this support or resistance level, this level is calling reliable. When you see the level and the price is going right here, then they bounce, then it hits and going to retest, and then it bounce again or it hit again. But every time there is some reaction on certain level, this is our reliable level. And you see right now, I will draw something else, okay? So you can see right now that the price is staying in a strong downtrend. Let's go to 1 hour chart. This is my, this is my preferable time frame right now. I'm working on it. I used to work with 1 day chart, so with daily chart, and now for me it's much more better to work in an 1 hour time frame H1, because you can see all movements that goes around much more clear. But be careful, you have your stop losses have to be so short in order to in order not to have too many losses. I will switch on my own indicators, and I showed you last time some kind of margin zones, and I took these zones from similar groups. So this is the website where you can take all data about all futures that are working on a similar or CBOE group. This is I just taken high and local high and local low. I prepared before in advance. I don't remember it for sure. This is our best zone that we can switch it out. So we switched on the long short, and now we can see the position for the short players. So what can we take? What kind of data we can take of drawing these kinds of zone? So this is our zone for those who open their short position over here. You see, this is 25%, 50%, and 100% of margin calls. If we will go a little bit up, you will see 200% of margin calls. If you don't know how this information is working on, you have to go on a website or just in internet, or if you just, and you can ask, and I will shot some another video about this. What does it mean, this position? So what can we see right now? The price, there is two options for open long position and for opening short position. Right now we see only support and resistance level. This is your primary strategy. You see this zone and this level, resistance level. And you can, if you don't know how to trade, you have to open first, you have to work within your strong levels. But what can we do when the chart is going sideways? We have to work somehow. So I created and I'm working on the margin zones. This is a really good strategy and you can use it whenever the sideways it is. So you see, this is 25% of those players who open their position over here with the leverage. You know, this is margin on the cryptocurrency, or it calls leverage on a traditional market, but what else it is what it is. This is our 25%. We hit this zone, we hit this green zone, and then what have to be happened in order to see short position? You know that there is a downtrend right now, and you have to work first of all on your downtrend position. Okay, so this is our next goal, these zones, this zone, and you have to see if the Asian session or American station will start working under this zone. Don't forget about 3,416 is about somewhere. This is Bitcoin exchange, so from chart to chart it can be a little bit difference within the prices. So this is our zone, and if we will start working under this zone, under this zone, we will go over here. This is our next take profit for those who opened short position right now. Don't forget about the stop loss, please, please, please. So when we will bounce this zone, maybe we will hit this zone. But you see this level 3,274. And if you remember, we reversed this downtrend to local uptrend. So be careful when we will approach this zone, because we will make a retest and reverse one more time. Why not? So be careful above this zone. So this is our take profit for those who open short position, where you can put your stop losses. If you open it over here, you can put your stop losses above this red zone, not green zone. We are talking about red zone. So, and here you can take profit regarding your money management or wherever you risk ratio you use. What about the up zone? So what about the long position? If we will start working on here, so we need to start the consolidation over here and to start drawing some resistance or support line. If you will go a little bit in the history, so we will do it later. Okay, so if you will see that Asia session or American session will start consolidation above this zone, this is the most important information that you can use. So you can enforce, or you can open a little bit your long position. Where is your take profit? Your take profit is this zone and then this resistance level. I'm pretty sure, and I can advise you to fix your position, if you will be right, to fix your position over here, because you remember there is like false break of this resistance level, and we had this level down and we make a big catch of momentum for the downtrend. So be careful and put your stop losses somewhere downtrend this zone. Okay, so this is your take profit, and if you will open your position, your long position over here, one more time, this is your first retest zone, and if you will see the price will start the consolidation above this zone for this moment, you can fix your position over here. Okay, so this is the information I just wanted to share with you guys. So be careful, don't lose your money. You have to win in this market, in this play. Okay, so maybe you need some information about dropping resistance and support line. Maybe you are interested about this information, so please write down some feedbacks in the comments, or I'm planning to make some free webinar for those who are just starting working with the Bitcoin or with the cryptocurrency. If you're interested, we will make these on YouTube channel. Just it depends on the person, how many person we will have right now. Thank you, bye.